Somewhat hot take. It's the parents' fault if their kids are acting way too inappropriate for their age.
But it's the internet that's causing kids to be like this. It's not my fault if my kids want to look a bit grown up.
Susan, your kids are 6 to 8 years old. Walking around in booty shorts and crop tops without a parent. If that's not your fault, then whose is it? Becky, the hot topic worker. Sure, the internet is a part of the reason for kids nowadays acting like this, but it's your job to teach them that it's not appropriate for them to do things like this at their age. Things like has been hotel, helliver, boss, wearing crap tons of makeup, karma. Having TikTok and YouTube, etc. Should not be so normalized for young children to be having / watching just because kids need to grow up. Sorry this rant was long. It just pains me that so many people normalize this. Eclair cookie out.